Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the social science class. Today we are going to begin the first chapter. The name of the chapter is Conservation of Environment. The life on our planet Earth is maintained by our environment. Human activities have been disturbing our environment for a long period of time. These days, we all can hear words like global warming, deforestation, ozone depletion, etc. In the previous chapter, we read about all such problems. Our environment is very precious and one needs to preserve it before it is too late. Human beings need to take care of the environment to maintain its balance. In this chapter, we will learn about different types of waste that harms the environment and affects its balance. So, what are wastes? Wastes are unwanted or unusable materials. Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. Human beings generate a huge amount of waste every day. Waste can be divided into two categories. They are biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. All the waste which are easy to decompose, such as kitchen waste like leftover food, fruit and vegetable peels, paper and leaves are biodegradable waste. Such materials are easy to decompose as they rot easily and mix with the soil. Microorganisms like bacteria, fungi and earthworms decompose such waste. Non-biodegradable waste. Things like plastics, silver foil, aluminum cans, broken glasses, electronic waste that do not rot easily and mix with the soil are called biodegradable waste. They take a long period of time to decompose. Now let us see how we can manage these wastes. Waste management. The practice of collecting, treating and disposing waste in order to protect the environment is called waste management. Many local agencies look after the collection of disposal of waste. There are many methods for disposal of waste. Some of them are landfilling, open dumping, burning and composting. Let us learn about each one of them. Landfilling. In this method, deep ditches are dug and waste is dumped in them. When the ditches are full, they are covered with soil. At some places, parks and gardens are built over them. It is a popular method of waste disposal. Landfills are found in the outskirts of a city. Open dumping. In this method, waste is first loaded in trucks. It is then taken far away from town or the city and dumped in the open. Disposing waste in the open pollutes the environment. Burning. In this method, solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperature in large furnaces. This method is harmful and causes air pollution. Composting. In this method, all the waste from the kitchen are collected and put in bins, and these change into compost, which are nutrient rich for plants. It is used as manure. Crops that are grown using natural manure are organic food. These are better and healthier than crops grown using chemical manure. Here we stop our discussion today. Tomorrow we will continue. Thank you.